Bonjour à tous. Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. I'm very happy that you are here. What do you cook when you go camping? And how do you cook? Do you use a camp Dutch oven for outdoor cooking? I do. I love cooking in my camping Dutch oven. Even at home, my favorite cooking appliance is the oven. It makes my cooking easier and efficient. So, naturally, I'd want to have an oven even when camping. But of course, when I go camping, I cook other things that don't require Camp Dutch oven as well. Today, I will show you 2 camping foods you can make in a Camp Dutch oven and 1 camping recipe without. I hope these recipes broaden your camping food repertoire a little bit. Let's go. Allons-y. A Camp Dutch oven is a great substitute outdoors for a traditional oven you use at home. Also, it can be used as a saucepan, skillet, frying pan, casserole pan, or soup pot. It's really versatile. So, if you want to cook something other than hot dogs and hamburgers on the fire, I would say that a camping Dutch oven is a must. A Camp Dutch oven or camping Dutch oven usually has 3 integral legs, a wire bale handle with a flat flange lid, unlike home Dutch ovens that have flat bottom without legs and a domed lid. Camping Dutch ovens are made entirely from cast iron, while regular Dutch ovens are sealed in enamel. Camping Dutch ovens are designed to be used with hot charcoal. Hot charcoal is put not only underneath a camping Dutch oven, but also on the lid. That's why camping Dutch ovens come with flat lids. Beans and wieners is a great food to make in a Camp Dutch oven. It's simple to make and comforting to eat. To make this campsite comfort food, you need a pack of wieners, 2 cans of navy or white kidney beans, a medium-sized onion, a half to 1 red bell pepper, a quarter cup ketchup, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon mustard, a half teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon celery salt, and 6 to 8 strips of bacon. To start the charcoal, scrunch up some newspaper and stuff up the bottom of the charcoal starter or charcoal chimney. Flip the charcoal chimney and pour charcoal in it. Light the chimney. Dice or slice the vegetables, bacon, and wieners. Place a camping Dutch oven over the charcoal. Toss diced bacon in the heated camping Dutch oven and cook. Then there will be enough fat extracted from the bacon so that you will be able to cook vegetables with this fat. Add onion and cook until lightly translucent. Add red bell pepper. Add wieners. Cook until most are lightly browned. Add the rest of the ingredients including beans and mix well. Close the lid and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes or until it's thickened to your taste. Super easy, isn't it?
When I met you, when we started off, it sure was a different kind of love. Should I get up? Should I get up?
The next one is equally easy, if not easier.
Before it had begun.
It's breakfast frittata. This recipe yields about 4 portions. If it leaves the leftovers, that's fine. You can have it on the morning you check out. You can start the charcoal following the same steps as I showed you earlier in the video. Scrunch up some newspaper and stuff up the bottom of the charcoal starter or charcoal chimney. Flip the charcoal chimney and pour charcoal. Light the chimney. To make a breakfast frittata, you need 1 pound breakfast sausages, 1 medium onion, 1 medium red bell pepper, 6 to 8 eggs, 1 cup shredded cheese and olive oil or any cooking oil of your choice. Feel free to double the ingredients if you have more people to feed. Dice each ingredient except for breakfast sausages while charcoal is ready. Place your Camp Dutch oven over the charcoal and heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add breakfast sausages and cover with a lid. When sausages are cooked, take them out and cut into pieces. Put the sausages back into the Dutch oven. Add diced red bell pepper and onion and cook. When cooked, add eggs and beat them vigorously with a wooden spoon you have. Cover with a lid and add a few pieces of charcoal on top. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Lift the lid and sprinkle shredded cheese as much as you like. Put back the lid and wait for 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese melts. Voila! Breakfast frittata is ready. You can cut the frittata into wedges with the same wooden spoon you cooked with. You don't want more items to wash. Bon appétit! Now I'll share a recipe for easy and delicious campfire chicken wings. I got the idea from Food Network. For this recipe, you need 2 pounds of chicken wings, 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lime juice from 1 lime, plus a lime cut into wedges, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of thinly sliced scallions, fresh cilantro leaves, and 2 tablespoons of any chicken seasoning or grill mix you like. I use a shawarma seasoning mix I bought from a Lebanese store. Start a wood fire in the fire pit. Combine the chicken wings, olive oil, lime juice, seasoning mix and water in a resealable bag and toss well to coat. Spread out a large sheet of heavy-duty aluminum foil, then pour the contents of the bag into the center. Fold the foil over in half to cover and crimp the edges to seal. Place the foil packet on the grill and cook for 25 minutes.
We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get
Open the packet carefully, watching out for steam.
yeah, we're a little messed up, baby. It's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up.
Continue to cook about 2 minutes more per side. Garnish chicken wings with scallions, lots of cilantro leaves, and lime wedges. I like this recipe very much and even make it at home. I would go on and do a few more camping food recipes since there are other easy camping foods I didn't put in this video. I'm sure I'll have another chance to introduce more. So I'll stop here for today. I hope to see you again next week. If you have enjoyed it, please do give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Please subscribe if you want to see more of my weekly videos. Thanks for watching.